Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As always, thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video, and leave your comments below. Today, the proverb that we'll be exploring is, if your hand in a lion's mouth, take time, draw it out. Imagine finding yourself in a predicament similar to sticking your hand in a lion's mouth. Perhaps you've ventured into a sticky situation, a shady deal, or even a commitment that seemed like a good idea at the time. The proverb advises caution and patience as you gingerly extract your hands, as if pulling a piece of candy from the grasp of a mischievous child. In the heart of this proverb lies the recognition that sometimes life throws up situations where we must tread carefully, navigating with the precision of a dancer on hot coals. The phrase encourages a thoughtful approach to freeing oneself from potentially dangerous circumstances. It might be similar to playing a high stakes game where one false move and the lion just might decide it's snack time. Who among us hasn't found themselves in a sticky situation? Whether it's a questionable business deal, a relationship that turned out to be more tumultuous than tropical storms, or even an ill-fated attempt at mastering the art of a new dish that we saw on our Instagram feed. And I'm sure it seemed easy enough at the time. We've all stuck our hands into metaphorical lion's mouths at some point. Think back to that time you signed up for a new project at work, thinking it was a golden opportunity, only to discover it was more of a rusty old anchor dragging you down. Now imagine the collective nod of understanding from those who have been in your shoes, sharing their own stories of extracting their hands from the metaphorical jaws of professional peril. Or perhaps you ventured into a romantic entanglement that felt more like a lion's den than a loved nest. The tangled mess of emotions and misunderstandings becomes the backdrop of your daring escape. As you draw your hand out with finesse of a seasoned escape artist, the shared laughter and sympathetic nods from fellow survivors of love's maze assure you that you are not alone in this jungle of heartbreak. The road of life is not always going to be easy. Some of us will find ourselves trying to carefully extract our hands from the lion's mouth on numerous occasions. At the end of the day, make sure that you do so slowly, or take your time, as we would say. It might be tempting to take out your hand metaphorically quickly, but some situations require patience and careful execution. Keep heart and know that you are not alone. Hang in there and do not be too hasty to get out of a bad situation that could put you in a worse one. So, the next time life thrusts your hand into the lion's mouth, remember the whimsical wisdom of the Jamaican proverb and take your time and draw it out with patience and finesse and turn the adventure into a tale worth sharing. After all, in the grand tapestry of life, even the lion's roar can be drowned out by the laughter of those who face the wild with courage and a twinkle in their eyes. Just remember, if you're hand in a lion mouth, take time, draw it out. Thanks again for watching this video. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video, and to leave your comments below. As always, walk good.